diesel build. Parts are starting to come in. We're ordering a few, getting a lot of parts from buddies, Ofer, John Kingston, everywhere. Aiden, we'll get some parts from too, probably at Long Range America. A lot of parts from Ofer. This is a diesel pump. Injectors. Both of these we're going to send off to be rebuilt and made. And the motor we're getting is a 1HDT. Nobody knows how old it is, if it needs a full rebuild, so we're going to tear that apart and find out. We're going to show all that. Big day here at the diesel swap, and that day is when the motor gets here. This is our base point. Look at it. She's pretty. She's dirty. Some broken bits, but that's all right. 1HDT, so part availability should be pretty high. But this is where we're starting with. Just got here from Texas. Freshly built. It was actually laid over on its side. Looks good. Ofer may be here this afternoon or this evening, and to take it off, he wants to see what the head looks like. But everything moves. I did wiggle the crank back and forth just a little bit, but not too much, because I didn't want the valves to try and commingle with the pistons, as this is an interference motor. Yeah, some bent pipes, but these all get replaced anyways. Some bent studs, but doesn't matter, because we're gonna make it pretty anyways, so we can beat on it. So thanks, hope you're excited. I am. There's a ton of parts in those bins. Those are all diesel parts, and there is a transmission too. That's H150. A nice low first gear, so we are looking good. So thanks along. Here's the diesel build. Here we go. Day one of owning a diesel turbo motor. All right, motor came in today and no time was spared. Valve cover has been pulled off. Cam's been pulled out. It looks fantastic. Look at these journals. They're so good. Looks like this motor has been rebuilt before. There are these new plugs. Looks like those have all been replaced. I don't believe that those are OEM spec. Also yanked apart the oil filter with a cutter, and there's no shavings in it, so this motor looks to be in fantastic shape. We're going to pull the head just to get a look inside, but I don't have a 12 millimeter, so you know, we'll do what we can. I'll get one of those tomorrow, pull off the head, take a look at it. Ofer was here. Thank you for helping me with all of that. Take the oil pan off, take a look at the bottom end bearings, try and keep all this organized. Buckets and shims, everything's in baggies over there. Here is the inside of the valve cover, not too terrible. Gasket got thrown away, so we're looking good. This thing spins nice and easy, so sweet. Thanks everyone. Carry on with the diesel build. Just pulled the head on the it says 1HD there. I don't know if you can see that, but it looks good. There's the insides on that one. That one looks okay. This one looks questionable. There is some rust. Looks like some water got in here. Not too recent, but the head or the top surface looks good. The head gasket looks good, like it was sealing well. That one looks pretty good. Some stuff down there and some stuff down here, and you can see there is the start of some rust. So maybe we caught it in time. I don't know. We'll see. Nobody's gonna like that.
Ride the barrel and get pitted, so pitted like that.
All right, here we go. We got the oil pan, all the bolts loosened and cracked. I haven't looked under there, so let's see what's under the oil pan. Wow, looks pretty good. That is a clean oil pickup. So yeah, somebody's been through this motor again. What's in here? I don't know what that sludge is. Oil's been drained. No metal debris in there. And these all look good. I'll have to pull out these caps and see if we have any play in them or how bad the bearings look. But yeah, somebody used a lot of material here to seal this pan up, but yeah, this doesn't look like it has been together for very long, so that's good news as far as it gone through. So we just have the pitting from the rust in the cylinders to worry about. Pull these bearings off, get a good look at them, pull this all apart, probably look at the manual, see if there's an order like there was for the head to pull these pistons off, get this bad boy cleaned up, maybe the dent pulled out a little bit. But yeah, that's what our bottom end looks like from here. There's no burning on any of these crank bottoms or rod end bottoms, so that's they look great. Next. Alright, there's a good view. So what we have here is the socket. It happens to be a 21mm. Right there. Fits very nicely over the oil plug. And then give a few good thumps. Really good. Let's see. Yeah, not bad. Maybe pretty close to flat. I can feel it's down a little bit. Pretty good. I like that. Nicely positioned the right way now. It is not concaved in. We're set. So now I can give this to Ofer. He's going to take it to his buddies. Get it all nicely cleaned up. Maybe I'll push these out too. This might have been from moving the motor around too. And for that, the socket off, and this is semi-round. Popping down the high spots. think I've been watching too much metalworking. And Carl Fisher, Mr. Jab Hands. Yeah, that's way better. Now I want to get out this little dent. I don't know why. I need something a little bit pointier. What can we use? Feels good. Yeah, that's a lot nicer. See if I can wipe it off with a towel. See, I think I want to hit this right about there now. Feel it right there. Oh, that's great. That is fantastic. Alright, let's put you in for a closer look. Okay, there is oil plug now. Here are a bunch of dents here that were pretty far in. There's one big one there. That's out. I think this oil plug drain is gonna pop out easily now. Let's find out. You see? Is it still recording? Yep, still recording. Still in view. We need a 14. Okay. Oh. Look at that, with ease. Oh, that's right. We pulled this off earlier to make sure it all drained out. So, yeah. That is nice. I like that. Okay. Now we can take this pan to Ofer and get it cleaned up, powder coated, make it pretty. Might take a look at the edges and clean up the edges a little bit, but otherwise, good. Okay. We thwacked it a few times. It's looking better. I'm gonna thwack it a couple more times. If I can put it here in the phone here in the vise, then you can see it getting maybe thwacked. I don't know, putting a phone in a vise is the best idea, but can't be worse than what Aiden did to it. Well,